right, good morning, guys. So it's the 3rd of May 2019. I am in 5 pairs right now. I'm showing 4 on my screen. I'm short US dollar, Swiss franc. I'm short pound card. I'm short Aussie Swiss franc. And I'm long Euro JPY. All right, non-farm is about to come out in about 2 minutes time. So I have that up on another screen, the results. And I'm waiting to see what is going to happen. So I know I wanted to do this video because I know a lot of you all try to jump in trades with non-farm and that kind of thing. So this morning I took one entry on the US dollar JPY. The only reason I took that trade, right, this morning before non-farm was because of the risk and the potential for gain. Meaning the stop that I took on that trade was 25 pips. That's the US dollar JPY. Because the market was at a resistance area, I took a trade on that. If it wasn't for that small risk, I was not going to try to go after any reward. These 4 trades that I'm in here, I've been in them from before, and I know some people close out trades. I don't close out trades. How I approach it is this. I was willing to take this trade originally, and if I was risking 50 pips, 30 pips, 100 pips, that it was my risk. That was my stop, right? When I entered the trade, I calculated that. So because of that, and I am willing to take that risk, then I'm not going to close out because of non-farm. I've seen too many times like people down like this, so they say, you know what, let me just jump out, and they jump out. The market probably just spike a little bit and then goes the direction of the trade, right? Because most people have no problem finding direction. Some people have problem finding entries. So I'm looking to see what the market is going to do. The one that's going to be directly affected is the US dollar Swiss franc and the US dollar JPY, right? Which is not shown here. But I wanted to see what the market will do when the announcement comes out. We have to see if we have positive or negative news for the dollar, and then we'd be able to say what are we going to do, or how is the market going to react to this announcement. All right, so it seems as though we have, let me tell you, news has come out. Let me see what's going on. We have some movement. So we have good non-farm figures, right? We have 263K, which is good. And then we have unemployment rate is 3.6, which is good. The forecast was 3.8. And then we have bad average hourly earnings at 0.2%, right? Which is sorry, which is better than previous 0.1, but the forecast was 0.3. That's why it's said to be bad. But so far we have positive news for the US dollar pairs. So let's see, give it a minute. Let's see what the market is going to do. How is the market going to react to this news? And then we'll know how to approach these trades moving forward. All right, so we do seem to have some US dollar strength happening. It's not a big jump, right? But we'll have to see what the market is going to be doing. Because I've seen several times if the market is at a major resistance or major support and news comes out, the market does not react. It just holds and then goes the other direction. So again, I'm not just jumping in because we said, you know what, the market, we had good news. I need to see what the market is going to do. All right, and so far we don't have any major movement. All right, I actually want to wait because on most of these I'm looking at the 4-hour chart. I actually want to see what the candle does. So I usually give these announcements like half an hour. So at 9, when the 4-hour candle closes, 9 a.m., that's when I'll be able to see kind of what the market did. Did it reject? Did it hold? Do I need more data? That's how I approach it. All right, so I just kind of want to see what the market is doing. The US dollar Swiss franc is up at resistance now. It seems to be holding and rejecting. So even if we had the positive news, it went up a bit, but it seems to be rejecting. The candle, however, is not closed, so I can't quite tell. Pound Canadian dollar wasn't really affected that much. It did pull up a bit, but we should be going short. Euro JPY stayed where it was, and the Aussie Swiss franc kind of same position as well. So nothing is really, responding like 100 pip push or anything like that. I guess this non-farm was kind of dead this morning. Maybe on some of the other pairs we had some major pushes, but so far I'm not seeing anything to talk about. Alright guys, so this video is a short video. I just wanted to show you all how I approach it. Alright, I'm looking at this. I'm going to continue monitoring this, as I said, until 9, and then I want to see what the candles are doing, so I'll know I'll know what to do with the trades, and then I'm going to be using that to project for next week, actually, based on how the daily candles close. So when I have the daily candle close at 5 p.m. today, when the market also closes, I will kind of be able to plan and say, you know what, this is what I think the market is going to do next week, and that is how I'm going to approach it moving forward, guys. Have a good day. Safe trading, guys.